how do you become a dentist? And so my initial journey was really to like, hey, open up awareness for when I looked into it, there were no, like, at the time, at least I didn't know of any Samoan Polynesian dentists here in the United States. Um, but besides that fact, I mean, I wanted to do something that I can give back to my own family, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wasn't looking at like the whole, okay, I'm gonna save,
Same. Yeah, yeah.
save it. I just want to do something that way. If I can just do the work for my family, then I was happy, right?
Yeah.
And then in my community, because I grew up in a Samoan ward, right? And so that was the goal, right? When I found that out, oh, this can be this is a good profession.
Yeah.
It's needed, and then I can make an impact. It kind of made it, and then you know, I think my mom thought at the time was like, maybe I'll become a medical doctor. Well, then, but I became, a tooth doctor, right?
Mm,
So
mm.